Welcome to our guide on styling the apple body shape. As we all know, we have 5 basic body shapes, which are the triangle, the inverted triangle, the pear shape, the apple shape, and the hourglass body shape. If you don't know which body shape you are, just check in my previous video. I'll leave it in the description box down below. I made a video on how you can be able to determine your body shape, and on today's video we are styling the apple body shape. If you have a wider shoulder and a narrow hip, you might fall into this category of an apple body shape. And on today's video, we'll be giving and tricks on how to feel comfortable and confident, highlighting your best features with clothing that flatters your natural shape. If you're looking for perfect tops or jeans that works with your silhouette, or dresses that add balance to your body shape, today we've got you covered. So let's dive into the video. Styling an apple body shape, you need to focus on balancing the proportion and emphasizing on your waistline while showing your legs if you want. So these are the basic techniques to put into consideration while styling an apple body shape. The first basic technique is to define the waistline. Use belts and tailor clothing to create definition. Empire waistlines can also be flattering. The next point is using A-line dresses and skirts. You want to use A-line dresses to create a flowing silhouette that skims over the midsection while showing your legs if you want. And the next point we are going to be talking about are colors. Darker shades normally they create a slimmer effect. So to use a dark shade to balance that proportion. And the next point we are going to be talking about are structured tops. You want tops that are structured, that can create shapes such as a pearlum style, which can highlight your waistline. The next one is choosing the right fabric. Avoid clinging materials. Instead, choose fabrics that wrap well and provide support. Next point we'll be talking about are tailored pants. You want to look for a straight leg or boot cut pant to balance the body shape and create a more streamlined look. So now we are going to talk about the do's and don'ts of an apple body shape, and we are going to begin with the do's of an apple body shape. The first point we have is to highlight the waist. If you're in an apple body shape, you always want to use a belt or an empire waist style to highlight your waist. And the next point is A-line dresses. You want to choose an A-line silhouette that flows away from your body while flattering your shape. And the next point we have is structured top. To opt for structured or tailored tops that provide support and shape. And the next point we're going to talk about is necks. V-neck lines elongate the neck that wants to draw attention upwards. Now we are going to move to the don'ts of an A-line body shape, and the first don't we have is, the first point is you want to avoid clinchy fabrics. Clinchy fabrics that focus on the midsection, that emphasize on the midsection, you want to avoid those kind of fabrics. And the next point is avoid volume. You want to avoid fabrics that brings more volume to your body, that shows bulk to your body. Okay, so if you're in an apple body shape, you need to avoid fabrics like that. Now we are going to be talking about the best necklines for apple body shape. The first one we have a V-neck. A V-neck elongates the neck and creates a vertical line, drawing attention upwards. The next one we are going to be talking about are scoop necks. Scoop necks provide a rounded open look that flatters the shoulder and the face. The next one we are going to be talking about is the empire waist. This style starts just under the butt, flowing over the midsection, and often incorporate a deeper neckline. This point we are going to be talking about is the off soldier. This neckline highlights the collarbone and adds an elegant touch while drawing attention away from the waist. We are going to be talking about the necklines in which an apple body shape needs to avoid, and the first one we have is the high neckline. The high neckline includes styles like turtleneck or funnel necks that shorten the neck and create a boxy look. You want to avoid that look if you are. While a square neck can work for some people, for others it can widen the shoulder area and draw attention to the midsection, and you want to avoid that by all possible costs if you are an apple body shape. The next one we'll be talking about are banded necklines. This can create a constructing effect and may highlight the waist rather than elongate it. So now we are going to move on the next section, which is the best dresses for an apple body shape. If you are an apple body shape, you need to put these dresses into consideration, and the first one we have is the A-line dress. Line dress, these gently flare out from the waist, skimming over the hips and the midsection. The next dress you want to put into consideration are wrap dresses. These highlight the waist and create a beautiful silhouette, enhancing curves. The next one we want to put into consideration are peplum dresses. The peplum dresses have flare bottoms that can define the waist while providing coverage. Next dress you want to focus on are empired waist dresses. These sit just under the butt and flow downward, drawing attention away from the waist. Dress you also want to put into consideration are fit and flare dresses. These hug the bodies and flare out at the waist, providing a balanced shape. Now we are going to talk about dresses in which an upper body shape needs to avoid. And the first one we have are bodycon dresses. Bodycon dresses can clinch to the midsection and emphasize the waist, which may not be flattering. The next one we are going to talk about are straight cut dresses. Straight cut dresses lack shape and structure that can make you appear boxy. The next one we are going to talk about are mini dresses. Short dresses can emphasize the midsection while not providing enough coverage and balance. About the tops and dresses in which an upper body shape needs to have and the ones that they have to avoid. So now we are going to talk about the pants in which are best for upper body shape, and the first one we have are straight leg pants. Straight leg pants provide a straight fit that can be flattering and versatile, creating a streamlined look. And the next one we are going to be talking about are high-waisted pants. This can define the waist and elongate the legs, providing a smoother silhouette. The next one we are going to be talking about are boot cut or flare pants. These styles provide a slight flare at the bottom, balancing out broader shoulders and fuller midsection. The next one we are going to be talking about are wide leg pants. You want to go in for wide leg pants because it creates a balance by adding volume to the lower half, drawing attention away from the midsection. And now we are going to be talking about pants in which an upper body shape needs to avoid. And the first one we have are low-rise pants. Low-rise pants can sit below the waist, drawing attention to the midsection and creating a less flattering silhouette. The next one we are going to be talking about are skinny pants. Skinny pants, while skinny pants might work for some people with an upper body shape, but for others it can create a tight style that can emphasize on the waist and the hips, which may not be flattering at all. And the next one we want to talk about are pants with unstructured waistbands. This kind of pants provide styles that lack support, can create a bulky appearance around the midsection. So guys, that is it for this video. If you like this video, do not forget to leave a comment down below. Do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel. And on my next video, we'll be talking about other body shapes and how to style them, the do's and don'ts of other body shapes. So guys, that's it for this video, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.